Here is how you can make this guy. And now, real hair, 21, ponytail 20, 67 for ears. Front hair 2394 for gray hair. Recently, I don't know, but oh, don't go there, don't go there, don't go there, don't go there. Head AC 73 for forehead. Short 23 for the pants 1 for legs. Anyway, 5,169 for shoes. $8,332 for tails. For tail. Jacket 51 for stomach. Scarf 74 for fur. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Find it, find it, find it. Find it. She's gonna come in there. Find it. Game, I swear to God. Okay. 3,448 force. Fur! Ah! Mouth 3,250 for mouth. Eyes 97 for eyes. $4,349 for the whatever that thing is, white stuff. I have the hands of a god. 3,573 for nose. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And for the color, pause and copy. Just make it white. Pause and copy. And pause and copy. Pause and copy. And that's it.